So this is the pound yen analysis for Wednesday the 15th of November. Now, let's just have a look what happened with prices on the 14th. So we're just going to grab the pen, and the 14th was just here. So on the 14th, we did find just well on the 13th, we did trade below the this major level of 148.46. We traded all the way down to pretty close to this 148 level, and we saw some buy side momentum coming to the market. We did have a bit of a turnaround, a bit of a pullback, not all the way back down to this 48.46 before we saw some buy momentum return to the market. Now we're just going to clear this chart up a bit. So what we did see was prices did break to the upside. We did have a bull flag form and a continuation. What we did see, however, was some sell side momentum coming around this 200 period moving average, just there in blue, and we did retrace, but we did put in a higher low. So we've got our lows here, got a higher low, and again we've broke above these highs just there as well, which is a bullish sign. Now we've come up into this 200 period average. Again, we are having negative reactions. So the overall trend, as I see we've had more recently, we've had a higher high, higher high, and we've had a series of higher lows. So we're expecting further upside momentum. So we're expecting price to go up to 49.78. 49.78 has acted as resistance in the past. We have briefly broke above it on a couple of occasions, but we have subsequently seen some breakdowns in prices from this 49.78. So we are expecting price to go to 49.78. We do see bearish momentum return to the market. Again, we'll be targeting possibly these swing lows before we get all the way down to this major level. So possibly targeting in around at 148.70. Let's just make sure. We're at 148.75. We'll be targeting around at 148.75, in around that zone there. If we do go up to 149.78, we see some bearish momentum. We'll be targeting at 148.75. Now, let's look for more extended targets. So let's get the scale on here correct. And as we are dealing with a pretty volatile pair, so potential targets. So if we do break above 149.78, we do have some strong momentum going to the market. We're targeting 150.56, above which we're looking at 151.25. Again, these levels will be looking for potential sell bearish bias to come into the market, and them acting as resistance or potential targets for prices to the upside. Now, if we do see a breakdown from where we are at present, again, we're looking at 148.46, below which we're looking at 148, and then after which we're looking at 147.35. These are all levels we expect possibly there might be a bounce, a counter trend bounce in prices to the upside, as it would be below where prices are at present. So that should wrap up the pound yen analysis. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.